OnePlus 9 series is expected to launch in March with flagship specifications that include the all-new Snapdragon 888 chipset. The lineup is expected to include the vanilla OnePlus 9 and OnePlus 9 Pro. The rumor about the upcoming flagships is that they will have wireless charging support, which was first introduced on the OnePlus 8 Pro last year. Tipster Max Jamber claims the OnePlus 9 Pro will support up to 45W fast wireless charging support, an upgrade from the 30W on the OnePlus 8 Pro. The phone is also said to pack reverse wireless charging that lets the phone charge another smartphone or accessories such as wireless headphones. Max Jamber says the vanilla OnePlus 9 will also have wireless charging support, but he could not specify the charging speed. However, 91 Mobiles exclusively revealed that the OnePlus 9 will get support for 30W wireless charging, and the device will support reverse wireless charging too. While these are interesting additions to make the upcoming OnePlus phones truly flagships, they may also increase the pricing. Both the OnePlus 9 and OnePlus 9 Pro are expected to come with the Snapdragon 888 5G chipset, 8GB RAM, 128GB storage, and a Fluid AMOLED display. They're likely to run on Android 11 based Oxygeno's custom skin on top. The standard OnePlus 9 is said to get triple cameras at the back, while the OnePlus 9 Pro may have quad cameras. OnePlus 9 is said to come with a 4500 mAh battery and 65W fast wired charging solution. The Pro model may get a slightly larger battery and similar charging speeds. Both the models are expected to feature a punch-hole display for the selfie camera and an in-display fingerprint sensor for security. OnePlus is said to have partnered with Leica for the first time for cameras. OnePlus 9 Pro specs. Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 8GB processor. 6.7 inches display. 64MP+, 16MP+, 12MP+, 2MP rear camera. 32MP selfie camera. 4510 mAh battery. 6.8 Fluid AMOLED 120Hz. QHD plus resolution. Punch hole selfie camera. Estimated price $950 win $1,000. For more informative videos subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like and share.